Hey, what's up? I'm Ken, and this is Micro Budget Filmmaking, Episode 3, The Gear. And every filmmaker has always said, I'll start when I have better gear. Stop saying that. Just whatever you have. Like I have this Sony A7S III, which is what I shot my whole feature on. Just use that. If you have an iPhone, use that. If you have a Galaxy, use that. Because in reality, you already have everything you need. You just don't believe it yet. This episode is about flipping that negative mindset. You don't need a Red, you don't need an Alexa or Blackmagic to do anything. You just need what you have in your hands and the guts to use it. Let's kill the camera myth. No one cares how you shoot it as long as you shoot it. You can shoot the entire film on your phone. If the story kills, that's all you need. Let's look at Tangerine, shot on an iPhone 5S, or Unsane. The same thing. The point isn't the gear, it's how you use it. If you have a 4K camera, a computer, and an editing suite, then you're ahead of the game. Lighting is everything. You can shoot on a cheap camera, but if you have great lighting, that makes it cinematic. Here's a quick hack. Use natural lighting at a window, outside, or the practicals in your house, lamps, the lights, whatever you have in your house. And if you go outside, the sun is free, and that's better than any light you can afford. Just learn to shape it, block it, diffuse it, bounce it. That's where all the magic happens. You can have the crappiest footage around, but if your audio sucks, so's your film. So don't overlook your audio. So invest in a halfway decent mic, shotgun mic, lavaliers, or record clean audio on your phone in a quiet space and then sync it. You can even record clean audio in your car. They're like rolling little sound studios. No bounce, no echo, and it sounds awesome. And don't have a stabilizer? Well, that's cool. Just grab your camera, hold it close, bend your elbows, lock them into your ribs, and when you walk, walk like a ninja. Real steady and slow. That's your gimbal. Use tripods, chairs, countertops, anything that keeps the frame steady. The trick is control, not equipment. I've even used wheelchairs as dollies. Here's a little secret. The audience doesn't care what camera you use. They care about what you made them feel. So stop waiting for gear to make you a filmmaker. Just get what you have, get your friends, and go shoot something. So now you know. No excuses. Go make something. The next episode we'll talk about locations, cinematic locations, how to get them or close to it. Subscribe, follow, go make something. Seriously.